what we do have right here is the MSI Cyborg 15, and it is a laptop which is made for gamers and for everybody who wants to work. And it has the full-on trackpad with the full keyboard as well as the number on the right. It is a sleek design, lightweight gaming laptop designed for users who want solid performance without carrying a bulky machine. It features a modern cyber-inspired design with subtle transparent accent and gives a distinctive look while feeling clean and professional. It's built to handle gaming, multitasking, and creative work. So if you are a creative, if you're an editor, if you are Photoshop video editing, this one works absolutely amazing. It is not the top of the line, but it is good and it works and delivers smooth performance. The display is sharp and responsive, making fast movement feels fluid and immersive, whether you're working or gaming. We do have all the ports that you need, the AUX, the HDMI, the cable, the USB-C, USB-A, the HDMI as we see there, the Ethernet cable. So we do have everything that you need. Your cooling is well managed for its size, allowing the laptop to stay stable during long session, while the keyboard offers comfortable travel and good feedback for both gaming and typing. The battery life is reasonable for a good gaming-focused laptops. It is a strong device which embodies everything. Gaming, working session, you have the cameras we see on the top. You also have the connectivity and the protection for the camera, so you can basically black out the camera or keep it open when you are using it. So overall, it is absolutely amazing. It works well, it's clean, it's tight, it's very good.